Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the VSeeBox V5 Pro to see which apps actually make this streaming box worth your time. It comes preloaded with 4 main apps, starting with Heat Live for your live TV fix. It features a straightforward guide for browsing channels that is so simple, even your tech-allergic relatives might manage to use it without calling you for help. Just press the guide button and you are in business. Next on the list is Heat VOD, which acts as a massive library for movies and TV shows. It helpfully sorts everything by the original streaming service, making it much easier to find something to ignore while you scroll on your phone. Then we have the Ultra Twins, Heat Ultra and Live Ultra. These are essentially backup dancers for the first 2 apps. If the primary ones decide to stop working, these provide the exact same content from a different source, proving that the developers have about as much faith in their primary servers as I do in my New Year's resolutions. The real selling point here is that the V5 Pro runs on Android 12, granting you full access to the Google Play Store. This means you can download Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Prime Video just like you would on your smartphone. It also features Google Assistant, allowing you to bark voice commands at your remote to find shows or control your smart home. Because why move your thumb when you can just talk to a piece of plastic? Under the hood, you are looking at 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which keeps the interface snappy and gives you plenty of room for apps you will probably download once and never open again. In short, the VSeeBox V5 Pro offers a solid mix of built-in options and endless third-party potential for the professional couch potato. If you enjoyed this look at the V5 Pro, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.